Hi everybody, it's Julie. We're going to start with some picture frames from Walmart. I'm making Halloween decorations. I have a Nightmare Before Christmas fat quarter that we're going to use. There's 3 different designs on this, and we're going to be using those picture frames. I'm going to take the glass, put it around each of the designs, and then I'll be cutting those out and very simply putting them into the picture frames. And I will have 3 cute little decorations for Amber for her home. I made these while I was on vacation at her house. And so there's the first one, and it's tucked into the frame. And then here's a look at the other 2 designs, and all 3 of them finished. At the end, I'll show you all of the items together. Next, I grabbed some toilet paper. I went ahead and put the toilet paper around the outside to kind of give it a more rounded edge. Here's another fat quarter. It's really pretty green with a dot. And we're going to go ahead and north, south, east, and west, we're going to go ahead and put that fat quarter into the center of the toilet paper roll. And then coming back and I'm doing this one-handed because my other hand is holding the camera. But I'm going to go ahead and floof it and fluff it and make it look like a pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the greenery that I purchased to be able to use in the craft projects at Amber's house. And we'll cut it off with the wire cutters, bend it, and put it down there in the center. I did go and forage for some sticks in Amber's wonderful backyard, added that to the pumpkin, and now I'm going to pull out some of the pieces from the other fat quarters that I purchased. And I also purchased this great piece of black and white striped fabric. It was 3 yards for $8. We're going to go ahead and wire that and wrap it and just stick it there in the center. And after I did that, I decided to tie a bow, and that way Amber can take the Halloween bow off and still have a decoration that she can use out for the fall. I brought Amber these 2 lanterns in my suitcase. I went ahead and added those bows. And you can see that black and white stripe. That was from the fabric. I picked up some holiday Christmas greenery as well as some more of that other greenery. We're going to go ahead and tape some of the pieces together and just add them into that bow. Now that'll give her something that she can have out all year. And then we're going to go ahead and I made up some more of those little bows like the one that we stuck into the pumpkin, and I added those onto the lantern, added a sparkly spider, and we've got a great lantern, and I did it for both of them. And she could just take those scrappy bows out and have it regular for the rest of fall. I did pick up one of the blank pumpkins and some words at Dollar Tree, and I made that pumpkin right there and giving her a table arrangement there. This is Will. We went ahead and painted those 4x4 pumpkins, added a bow, and made pumpkins for the front porch. So next I made a garland. This was really simple. These are the little blanks from Dollar Tree. And I glued each of them to a paper and then used a nail file to go around the outside. And so just showing you the different ones. And then I added a little greenery, used that black and white stripe to hang the garland. I also made a little wreath out of the greenery and the scrappy bows, and I made Amber some dish towels with what was left. I love the way all this turned out. I think they loved it too. And so it is set up, and I made them some Halloween decorations. And of course, they can pull those scrappy bows out and switch it over to fall. And I think it's really fun. What do you think? Do you craft on vacation?